Hello friends, good morning. Let's talk about daily commodity commentary and its technical level. Yesterday we have noticed that bullions were traded on a sharply upside trend. Yesterday gold increased by 0.12% and made a high of 49,175. And in international market currently gold is trading around $18 per ounce. Silver also increased by 2.09% and made a high of 54,130. And in international market, silver is trading around above $20 per ounce and trading around $20.24 per ounce. Today, silver made a high of 7-year high of 55,465 levels. For intraday perspective, gold has a strong support at 48,900, resistance at 49,600. Silver has a strong support at 54,500, resistance at 55,800. Since the trend is positive, we recommend buy in gold and silver on a correction. We expect silver may test 56,000 soon and gold may test 49,600 levels. Now let's talk about the base metal. Yesterday we have noticed that base metal also increased sharply. Yesterday copper increased by 0.44% and made a high of 505.90. Zinc also increased sharply. Zinc also increased by 0.95% and made a high of 175.65. All the base metal traded sharply yesterday on the back of increased demand from the industrial activity, and also the positive data comes from the major economies. So this will increase the demand of the base metal. So we recommend buy in base metal on any dip. Copper has a strong support at 502 and resistance at 508. Zinc has a strong support at 173, resistance at 178. Nickel also performed well. Nickel has a strong support at 990, resistance at 1015. So trend is positive. We recommend buy in copper, zinc and nickel for intraday perspective. Now let's talk about the crude oil. Yesterday we have noticed that crude oil prices closed on a flat note. However, in international market, crude oil is trading around 40.94 levels. The trend is positive as the demand is going to expected to increase on due to lockdown reopen from the many economies, and also demand increase from aviation sector, and also demand expected to increase from many industrial activities. So we recommend a positive trend will continue in crude oil segment. For intraday perspective, crude oil has a strong support at 3020, resistance at 3130, and international market it is expected that crude oil may test $41 to $42 per barrel very soon. So we recommend buy in crude oil segment. So for intraday perspective, trader can go for buy in crude oil on any dip. Now let's talk about the agriculture commodity. Yesterday we have noticed that all spices were traded on a positive note on the expectation of export demand increase from the major mandis. So for today we expect the positive trend remains same in spice segment, particular jeera and turmeric. So traders can go for buy in jeera and turmeric. And if we talk about the edible oil segment, we expect a positive trend will remain continue in refined soya CPO. Festival demand and domestic demand give support to the prices. So we expect a positive trend will remain continue in edible oil segment. So we recommend to buy in refined soya, soya bean, RM seed and crude palm oil. I hope you will get a benefited from this podcast commentary. Thank you very much.